Hi, I'm Terry from Mr. Locksmith. You hear the expression, especially when it comes to tools, cry once when you buy it or cry twice when you have to replace it. If you buy quality tools, you really save yourself a lot of time and money over the long haul. Same thing with key machines. I've got key machines that are 35 years old. They work absolutely perfect. They work some better than some of the new ones. So that's another story. But a couple years ago, I bought the Knipex bolt cutters for cutting screws and tail pieces on locks. And because of that, I've gone into the little tiny, probably the most expensive pliers I ever bought, the Knipex pliers. This is in my pick kit, my EDC. I've replaced my crescent wrench with this little Knipex. It's with pliers. It's basically replaced my crescent wrench. I'll never go back to a crescent wrench. I'm actually now looking at the larger one I still use a large crescent wrench for when I install with my pit bull, which is another video when I'm installing latches on steel doors. So I'm going to get the bigger set and that'll be the next thing to add. And these two tools, I call them channel locks, but they're actually called water pump locks. If I got to grab something, these are unbelievable. So this is in my tool case for every day. This is in my backup kit for when I have to do something a little bit more heavy duty. The power of these and the gripping power is unbelievable. I was in the rain the other day and some of my other tools were getting rusty. My fault, I should have oiled them down. These things still look brand new. I've had excellent luck with these. So I'm extremely happy with my Knipex pliers. Very, very happy. I'm going to add a few more and you'll be seeing them in future videos as I'm doing jobs. So these are the very best pliers you can buy. If you look at the Mack Trucks, I think even Snap-on, they're carrying the Knipex line in there. I don't know if they've rebranded them, but you can buy these at they're a little bit harder to find at your big box hardware stores because they're trying to flog their in-house brands. The advantage of buying off of, I call it the big box trucks, is if something breaks, it's very easy to do a replacement. I haven't had to replace the thing yet, but it's extremely easy with other Snap-on tools I have, especially my circuit pliers. I tend to break them every couple years. They just give me a new one. I have some screwdrivers and some Snap-on ratchets and whatnot. If I crack them, they replace them instantly. So I love my Snap-on truck guy and I love the Mack tools guy. That's the two I like. Their tools are good and a lot of them are selling these lines. So it's good just to go in and get a replacement. So that's it so far. Hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, please subscribe. I have more videos coming. Thank you very much. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Subscribe to my channel. Also visit my website and you can see what online locksmith training I have for beginners, intermediate, and advanced, as well as my covert methods of entry and my non-destructive methods of entry.